I do not bargain with tomorrow. I don't resist what leaves my hands. I cut the noise down to a single step and let the ground decide where I stand. I own no hunger for excess. I trust the blade of what remains. What stays with me is strong enough. What falls away was never mine to name. I don't explain, I don't defend. I move once and don't amend.
Don't stop away and the way holds me. No grasping, no lack. I have enough because I don't reach what arrives at my feet.
Gold moves quietly toward silence. Work appears when skill is clean. I sharpen what is in my reach and let the loss pass unseen. No fear of loss, no debt to gain, no prayer wrapped in need. The world responds to measured steps, not one but clarity.
Stillness first, then resolve. I choose once that solves it all. I walk the way as the light holds me. No grasping, no lack, no free. I have enough because I don't reach. Or the rise arrives at my feet. I walk the way and the light holds me. No grasping, no lack, no free. I have enough because I don't reach. Or the rise arrives at my feet.
No argument, no appeal. Rhythm teaches what is real. No desire, no defense. The path repeats until it's sense enough.